Hello Red Devils, I'm your Legend here and I'm back again within the video. So Lee Grant has today joined Manchester United. As you can see here, Stoke City have confirmed it. So Lee Grant has joined Manchester United for an undisclosed fee. So there it is, there's the news. So obviously Lee Grant has become Manchester United's third choice keeper, and what will that will mean is that Joel Pereira can head out on loan to another club and get vital first team experience. So anyways, it's been Emirates Legend. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.